how to set up or remove Apple account recovery key on iPhone. First, let's go back to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings, then tap on your Apple account. Next, we tap on Sign In and Security. From here, we scroll down and tap on Recovery Key Setup. Then tap on Continued. After that, you want to put in your phone passcode. Okay, the recovery key will be displayed right there. Now write down the recovery key and then tap on the Continue button. Now you need to key in the recovery key and tap on the Next button. Okay, so now we have successfully set up the recovery key. To remove it, you just have to go back into this same settings page and then tap on Remove Recovery Key and then tap on Turn Off. And that's it. After that, we just have to enter in the phone passcode to remove it. And that is how you can set up or remove the recovery key for your Apple account. So this is useful in case you lose access to your account. You can use recovery key to get back into your Apple ID. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.